What's going on? In this video I am going to attempt to put the hill shifter on my Indian Challenger, so hopefully it won't take too long. Let's see, part number is 288-4772-266. Yeah, we'll see how well this goes. It looks like it's pretty straightforward, but you never know until you get into it, so let's get into it. Alright, well, let's see what's all in the box. Obviously the hill toe shifter, zip tied, instructions, it looks like maybe on the back here. Take that off, it's kind of on a sticky pad or something. Maybe it was just happened to be there. And then bolt, washer, and a bolt. So yeah, I don't know. You'll be able to see that. Get my big fat thumb out of the way. There's the instructions. So it looks pretty straightforward, I think. Anyway, I'm going to look to see what I need to do, and yeah, that'll be it. I think I have to take I don't know. I wonder if the hill toe shifter was there already. Because here's what I think happens. Why I say this is because it looks in the instructions. I don't see why I have to take anything off of the floorboards. To be honest, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna look these instructions over, and I'll be back. All right. Well, my other heel toe shifter wasn't for this bike. It was for the newer, probably 2022 Indian Challenger. So they redesigned redesigned the primary cover on the newer ones to where it doesn't stick out so far. The other hill shifter was just pretty much straight, and it maybe bumped out here, but that's not what you need for a 2020. You need one that's got that kick out right off the rib to get past the primary cover. Now the instructions do say you have to take the footrest off, the floorboard off. I don't see why, the way this is built. I'm going to try to do it without that, because it should just go on like so. And I'm hoping that I can get a Allen wrench into the back to tighten up the bolts. So yeah, let's try that. The only one that may be more challenging is the bottom one, but I don't even know about that. So anyway, I'm going to go figure out what size Allen I need for these bolts, and then we will give it a shot. If not, it doesn't look too hard to take off. You have to a couple extra tools to do that, but I have everything I need if I have to take the floorboard off and then the shifter. But if you go look on the Indian's website, the shifter that I bought yesterday, or last time, whatever, it said it would fit, but on a 2020 Indian Challenger, don't believe that. This is the part that you need for the 2020 Indian Challenger. It is a 2880103-463 for the black hill shifter. I think it's like 146 for the chrome, but 2880103, not the other one that I bought. I can give that part number up when I realize what it is or find out what it is. Orange Loctite. Supposed to be just kind of like, I guess, blue, but in between blue and red, maybe? I don't know. It's orange Loctite. I'm going to use a dab of it. Not much. Doesn't need much. And you do have a couple washers to use with it. No, maybe I can get it in there. I'm hoping I can get all this stuff in there. Put the washers on. Some people don't like a hill shifter, but man, I've used a hill shifter for probably the majority of my riding. I really do like a hill shifter. I'm just trying to get in there. This is probably why they say take the shifter and stuff off, the floorboard and what have you off, so you don't have to try to fight with it. All right, get that bottom one in, or at least snugged up. All right, let's see if I can tighten it up now. Yeah, this is probably why they say take this off. But I'll try to do it still without taking it off. So, trying to do this without taking this off. Sure, it's going to shift, so I'm going to, that bottom hole here, yep, this bottom hole is kind of oblong, so I'm just going to keep the shifter up all the way and tighten it down. And then I've got this, I don't know, it's a Duralast from, I think, AutoZone, and I use a 1/4 inch wrench to stick around and tighten it up. Yeah, that bottom one is a bear. But it is doable this way. I think I may have a longer 1/4-inch wrench. It may help. All right, and then it comes with the foot peg. They didn't have, now I had to go to Clarendon, Kentucky to get this shifter, just FYI. But they have better shifter pegs, but they didn't have them. So that's all right. I guess I can wait and order them and all, but just screw the peg on, and really that's it. It's not interfering. You got plenty of room. I can get my hand almost clear through there. Yeah, that's it. Again, they want you to take this off according to the instructions, but if you take your time and can get the right stuff, you don't have to take the floorboard off altogether. So anyway, that's it. I got a license plate bracket, a new one, or at least the trim around it to put on too. So anyway, that's it for the shifter peg. It took 2 days because I always seem not to get the right parts, so that is a thing with me. Anyway, easy install, takes you just a few minutes once you get the right part. So yeah, I guess that's it. We'll talk at you later. Like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I couldn't find an install video on this anywhere, so good luck if you get it. It's easy. Again, if this helps, like, subscribe, share, do all the good things, and we will talk at you later. Bye.